कॉम्पिटिशन होने जा रहा है और इसकी शुरुआत हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं। और किसी भी कार्य को शुरू करने से पहले हम सभी ईश्वर को याद करते हैं जो आप लोगों ने प्रेयर किया। फिर भी वंस मोर जहां आप बैठे हैं आंखें बंद करके मेरे साथ एक बार गायत्री महामंत्र का उच्चारण करें। बैठे बैठे ही ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम। चलिए आप सभी एक बार जोर से बोले भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे। आज के इस जीके क्विज कंपटीशन की शुरुआत हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं। और बच्चे आपको बता दें कि हमारे सामने सभी विनर्स जो रिटर्न में सेलेक्ट हुए वो आपके सामने चारों हाउस के बच्चे स्टेज पर बैठे हैं। दयानंद हाउस, हंसराज हाउस, शतानंद हाउस और गुलजानंद हाउस। आज इस क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जितने बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर लें सबके लिए हम सबों की ओर से गुड विशेस है। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर टुडेज कॉम्पिटिशन। और इस कंपटीशन में जो हमारे टीचर्स कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं इसमें क्विज मास्टर के रूप में हमारे ऑनरेबल पी.के. जैना सर हैं, सेकंड नंबर में मिस अपूर्वा मैम है और थर्ड नंबर में मिस प्रिया मैम है। और इस क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन्स के जो नियम हैं बहुत सारे लॉज हैं उसको बताने जा रही हैं हमारी शोभना मैम। हमारे स्कोरर सर का नाम है श्री चंद्रशेखर सर और टाइम कीपर हैं हमारे रविरंजन सर। तो आइए कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करने से पहले हम लोगों ने ईश्वर को याद किया। इसके बाद हमारे इस विद्यालय के परम आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल सर जो हमारे गार्जियन स्वरूप हैं, तो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट आवर ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल सर सो प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज एंड ब्लेसिंग अस। पी.के. जैना सर से निवेदन है, पी.के. सर से निवेदन है सर को लेकर स्टेज पर आए आशीर्वचन के लिए। रविरंजन सर, शेरा सर स्टेज पे आ जाए। थैंक यू सर।
Good morning, children. So are you ready to witness the quiz competition? So I will not speak much because I know very well that all of you are not interested in hearing what I am saying, and rather you will be interested in hearing what or seeing or witnessing what will happen on the stage. So now I will not speak much, but these students from all the 4 houses have been selected, okay, to represent the houses. They were nominated by the house teachers, and after that the children who were nominated, they were allowed to sit or appear in a written examination, and after that on the basis of that these children are selected. Now they are going to represent their individual. Quiz competition will go on. Even by mistake also, do not speak out the answer until and unless you are asked. If you say the answer will be heard by them and your house may lose mark. Don't speak out the answer, otherwise your house will be awarded negative marking. आपसे पूछा जाएगा तो आप बताइए, वरना गलती से भी आंसर मत बता दीजिए। आपके आंसर को सुनकर ये बता देंगे। बताना इस हाउस को था, बता देगा कोई और, पॉइंट उसको मिल जाएंगे। अंडरस्टूड? साइलेंटली वॉच द शो। ओवर टू द एंकर। थैंक यू।
Now, good morning, children. Everybody is ready? Have you prepared? And I would like to ask the contestants, are you ready all? Yes, first, let me introduce. Introduction, yes. First, let me introduce the children, yes. Dhanand House. Start over, self-introduction.
My name is Shailesh Kumar. I am from class 6E, representing Dayanand House.
Very good. Thank you. Next.
This is Agrit Kashyap from class 7th F.
Loudly,
And I'm
loudly.
representing Dayanand House.
Yes. Very good.
I am a student of class 8A and I am representing the
Next.
Myself, Ramkumar Chawla from class 9th.
Give a big hand for Dayanand House contestants. Next, pass to the Hansraj House. Yes.
My name is Anubhavi Gupta from class 8F.
Yes. Thank you.
My name is Ananya Kashyap from class 6 and representing the Hansraj House.
Yes. Next.
My name is Siksha Mishra from class 7E.
I am Pranav Prakash from class 90.
Give a big applause for Hansraj House. All the contestants from Hansraj House. Next, pass to Shraddhanand House. Cut. Loudly, loudly.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Shilpi. I representing the house of Shraddhanand from standard 9th.
Next one.
This is Adarsh Kumar of class 8C. I am representing Shraddhanand
Yes.
House.
Very good.
I am Srishtika Soumya from class 7D representing Shraddhanand House.
My name is Satya Maurya. I am a student of class 6E. My house name is Shraddhanand.
Yes. Give a big hand for Shraddhanand House. All these are contestants from Shraddhanand House. Next, pass to Vijayanand House. Next, start. Vijayanand House.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself Ambi of standard 9B and I am presenting Vijayanand House.
Yes. Next.
I am Rakta from class 8C representing Vijayanand House.
Yes. Next one.
Myself Abhidakshi from class 6C. I am representing Virjananda.
Yes. Next.
I am Shreyas of class 7th representing Vijayanand House.
Yes. Give a big hand for Vijayanand House. Now, how the student? Yes. Yes. Rules are there. Now, I like to invite Opera ma'am for the rules and regulations of the contestants. Yes. The first round.
Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to invite respected Purna ma'am to read out all the rules and regulations in Hindi so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Ma'am, please.
क्विज शुरू होने से पहले मैं इसके रूल से आपको अवगत कराना चाहती हूँ। इस क्विज शो में 3 राउंड होंगे। फर्स्ट राउंड है जनरल क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड। प्रत्येक हाउस से 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, ठीक है। प्रत्येक प्रश्न के लिए 30 सेकंड लिए जाएंगे। सही उत्तर के लिए 20 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। यदि वो हाउस उत्तर नहीं देकर उसे दूसरे हाउस को पास कर देता है तो उत्तर देने के लिए उन्हें न्यूनतम समय सीमा दी जाएगी। सही उत्तर के लिए 5 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। गलत उत्तर के लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। सेकेंड राउंड है रैपिड फायर राउंड। इस हाउस में प्रत्येक हाउस से 1.5 मिनट की समय सीमा में 15 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे। यदि वह हाउस किसी प्रश्न का उत्तर देने में सक्षम नहीं है तो वह उसे अगले प्रश्न के लिए पास कर सकते हैं। सही उत्तर के लिए 10 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। गलत उत्तर के लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है। हाँ, एक बार प्रश्न पास हो जाने पर उसी प्रश्न का उत्तर देने की अनुमति नहीं है। थर्ड राउंड है ऑडियो विजुअल राउंड। यह बजर राउंड होगा। हाउस के पार्टिसिपेंट्स आपस में चर्चा कर बजर दबाएंगे। सबसे पहले बजर दबाने वाले हाउस को जवाब देने का मौका मिलेगा। सही जवाब के लिए 10 पॉइंट्स और गलत जवाब के लिए -5 होगा। अगर कोई हाउस सवाल पूरा होने से पहले ही बजर दबाता है तो सवाल पूरा किए बिना ही उत्तर देने के लिए कहा जाएगा। अब कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए फर्स्ट राउंड के मास्टर पोएट जेना सर को आमंत्रित करूंगी।
I would like to steal a minute before sir starts. I would like to take this opportunity to explain all the rules in English to you. Fine? You all have heard Shobha carefully, I believe so, and the rules are pretty clear to you. But let us repeat it once again. Alright? Audience, please applaud for our participants who have made through all the pen and paper test And this event, there is an assurance, this event is going to be very thrillful for you. So please wait for all the surprises awaiting. This entire, now listen very carefully, all the participants of all houses, this is specifically for you. This quiz competition is divided into 3 rounds. How many rounds we will have? 3 rounds. The first round is called General Questions Round. What is the name of the first round? Fine, so you are getting the points. Now, in this round, particular round, each of the houses will have the quota of 4 questions. Okay? For Dayanand House also, we will have 4 questions. For Hansraj also, we have 4 questions. For Shraddhanand and Virjanand also, respectively, we will be having 4 questions. Now, for each of the questions, to answer each of the questions, you will get 30 seconds. How many seconds you will get? For each of the questions, you will get 30 seconds. Very good. And 20 points will be awarded to you for each of the correct answer. How much points will you be credited with for answering? Very good. Now, if a team somehow gives a wrong answer, the quiz master will move to the next team. And the next team who will come up with the right answer will get the credit points of 5 marks. Understood? Now the next team will not get the time of 30 seconds but has to answer the question in the minimum time. Is it clear to all the participants what are the rules of the first round? There is no negative marking in this particular round. Fine? So wishing you all the best for the competition. I would like to go over to Jena sir, who is our quiz master for the first round.
Thank you, Praveen. Thank you. Now let's start the quiz competition. Yes. Yes, now ready, all the contestants, that your dedication, your determination and your preparation. Best of luck to all of you, best of luck to all the contestants. That question goes to, first question goes to Dayanand House. Give a big applause for Dayanand House. Okay, begin. Ready for questions? First question for Dayanand House contestants. Question number 1. Who is the current Defence Minister of India? Question for Dayanand House. Yes, Rajnath sir is the right answer. Correct. Correct for Dayanand House. Correct. He got full points. Next question to Hansraj House. Who is the present Prime Minister of India? Who is the
Jagdeep Dhankar.
Yes, right. Jagdeep Dhankar is the right answer. Deserves full 20 marks. Hansraj House. Hansraj House. Next question for Dayanand House. Who was the first President of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, the right answer. The full mark President House. Yes, full marks. Next question for Virjanand House. Question is, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, right answer. Correct full questions. Full marks for Virjanand House. Next. Question number 2. For Dayanand House, be ready. Give a big hand for Dayanand House. What is the full form of BODMAS? B-O-D-M-A-S. What is the? Be silent, be silent. Let them hear the questions. What is the full form of BODMAS? B-O-D-M-A-S.
BODMAS, bracket, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction.
No, I'm afraid. First round. Passes to Hansraj House. Question passes to Hansraj House. What is the full form of BODMAS?
Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction.
Yes, right. 5 points for Hansraj House. 5 points for Hansraj House. Next question for Hansraj House. Give a big hand for Hansraj House. What is the name of Gayatri Mantra? What is the other name of Gayatri Mantra?
Guru Mantra.
Guru Mantra. I am afraid now. Next question passes to Sradanand House. What is the other name of Gayatri Mantra?
Mahamantra.
No. I am afraid. Next question passes to Bijanand House.
Ved Mata.
Good Mata Mantra now. Audience questions. What is the other name of Gayatri Mantra? Very nice. Yeah, what is the other name of the Gayatri Mantra?
Vedic mantra.
Vedic Mantra, no. Audience?
Dev mantra.
Yes. Right answer from the Government House. It is Savitri Mantra. Savitri Mantra. 5 points. 5 points for Government House. 5 points for Government House. It is Savitri Mantra. Right answer is. Question for Sradanand House. Give a big hand for Sradanand House. Who was the first principal or first DAB opened in? Question again. I am going to repeat it. Who was the first principal or first DAB opened in India? Name of the first principal of DAB opened in India. Question for Sradanand House. Once again, who was the first principal of first DAB opened in India?
Hansraj.
It's right, but Hansraj is the right answer. 2 marks for Sradanand House. Next question for Bijanand House. All the participants for Bijanand House. Where is the first DAB opened in India? Where was the first DAB opened in India?
Lahore.
Yes, Lahore. The full marks right answer. 2 points for Bijanand House. Next ready for Dayanand House. Dayanand House. Question number 3rd question. What was the name of the spiritual guru of Swami Dayanand? What was the name of the spiritual guru of Swami Dayanand? Question for Dayanand House. Swami Bijanand right answer. 2 marks for Dayanand House. Next question for Hansraj House. Who was the leader of Khilafat movement? Who was the leader of Khilafat movement? Question for Hansraj House. Who was the leader of the Khilafat movement? It's a historical question, history question. Once again, question for Hansraj House. Who was the leader of the Khilafat movement? Question passed to Sradanand House. Question passed to Sradanand House. Who was the leader for Khilafat movement? Question for Bijanand House. Passed to Bijanand House. Khilafat movement leader. Who was the leader of Khilafat movement? Dayanand House.
Ali brothers.
No. No. Audience. Yes. No.
बच्चे को बोलना चाहिए।
One minute. 5 months for Dayanand House. Next question for Sradanand House. Be ready. In which city of India Hawa is located? In which city of India Hawa is located?
Jaipur.
Jaipur, right answer. Full marks. First round is out. Next question for Britannia House. Which city of India the Khajuraho temples are located in? Question number, once again I am going to repeat it. Which city of India the Khajuraho temples are located in? Khajuraho temple located in which city of India? Which state of India? Khajuraho temple.
Ajmer.
No state, name of the state. I am question is regarding state. Name the state. In which state? Which state of India the Khajuraho temples are located in? Next, to Dhanand House. Madhya Pradesh, the right answer. 5 marks. 5 marks for Dhanand House. 5 marks.
बच्चों आपकी ताली की आवाज जोर से होनी चाहिए। आपके हाउस के बच्चों ने इतनी अच्छी आवाज दी और इतने सही आंसर बताया। इनकरेज करें प्लीज।
Just encourage the contestants by clapping. Okay? Next question, this is the last question of this round. Question for Dhanand House. Who climbed the Mount Everest first? Edmund? Yes, right. 3 marks for Dhanand House. 20 marks. Give a big hand for Dhanand House. They are going ahead. But still there is a time, still there is a space to search ahead. You the contestants, don't pay attention. Still there is a time. Question for Hansraj House. Be ready? Yes, next question is for Hansraj House. Which sport is best known as the king of all sports? Once again, listen to the questions. Which sport is best known as the king of all sports? King of all sports. Which sport is best known as the king of all sports? King of all sports. Karada. Football. Football. What is the other name of football?
Soccer.
Soccer. Yes, right. Right answer. 2 marks. 2 marks for Hansraj House. 20 marks. Next question for Shraddhanand House. Which state is known as the cultural capital of India? Which state is known as the cultural capital of India? Which state? Cultural capital of India. Which state? Question for Shraddhanand House. Which state is known as cultural capital of India?
Himachal Pradesh.
No, I am afraid wrong. Question passed to Shraddhanand House. Time is there. Wait.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes?
Uttar Pradesh.
No, wrong. I am afraid. Next question passed to Shraddhanand House. Which state is known as the cultural capital of India?
Kerala.
Kerala, no. Wrong answer. Dhyanand House.
West Bengal.
What was the right answer, Dhyanand House? West Bengal is the cultural capital of India. West Bengal. Give 5 points for Dhyanand House.
बच्चे ध्यान दें, अगर ऑडियंस की ओर से हिंट्स आएगा और जिस हाउस के बच्चे बोलेंगे उनका 5 मार्क डिडक्ट होगा। देन वी विल गेट 5 मार्क्स। आपकी आवाज बीच में आ रही है।
This is the last question of this round goes to for Dhyanand House. Which 2 states of India are known as Devbhumi? Question once again, try to listen carefully. Which 2 states of India are known as Devbhumi? Which 2 states of India are known as Devbhumi? The name of the 2 states is Devbhumi. Question for Dhyanand House. Name of the
UP and Bihar.
No, I am afraid. Not is UP Bihar. No, wrong answer. Question passed to Dhyanand House.
Uttarakhand and Odisha.
No, wrong. Question passed to Hansraj House. 2 states.
Uttarakhand and Odisha.
Uttarakhand and Odisha. No, wrong answer. Next question passes to Hansraj House.
Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh.
Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. No, wrong answer. Question for passed to Shraddhanand House. Shraddhanand House. 2 states known as Devbhumi of India.
Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh.
Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh. No, wrong answer. Question to audience. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Question for audience. Who is the two states known as the Bhumi of India? Yes. The Bhumi of India. No, not Kerala and Jammu Kashmir. No. Anybody else? Yes, come on. Come forward. No, wrong answer. No, Uttarakhand and Haryana. No.
Uttarakhand and Jharkhand.
No, not Uttarakhand and Jharkhand.
Haryana and Uttar Pradesh.
No, I'm afraid. It's wrong answer. No. Anybody else? Yes? No. No. Question for teachers also. Question also for teachers. Which two states known as the Bhumi of India? Yes, right. Ravinder sir is right and this boy is also right. It is the answer is Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Also. Yes, also Suresh also. Give this to this boy. Ravinder sir, to this boy. Yes. Yes, answer is Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Right answer is Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Now the first round is come to an end. Please request to Ravinder sir and Suresh sir to declare the score at the end of the first round. Score.
Mike.
Do time the budget. Now answer the score is after the first round.
Mike.
First round, the total score of Diamond House is 80. And the total score of Hansal is 45. Sarvanand House 60. And Vijayanand House is 40. Finally, Diamond House is leading at all. And Sarvanand House is at second position.
So now a big clap बच्चों एक बार जोरदार ताली दयानंद हाउस के लिए इस राउंड में वो विनर हुए नेक्स्ट
After the completion of first round, Dayanand House tops leads having 80 points. Give a big hand for Dayanand House. And second for Sarvanand House. Second position goes to Sarvanand House. Give a big hand for Sarvanand House. Second position having 60 points. And third goes to Hansraj House having 45 points. Third position goes to Hansraj House 45 points. And fourth position for Vijayanand House having 40 points. Students, don't be in depression. Keep there is time. There are 2 rounds on there. There is enough space to solve. Okay? Next, I would like to invite Abraman for the second round. That is your rapid fire round. Be ready for rapid fire rounds. Yes.
So much, Jana sir, to successfully conclude the first round. So we all can see tension brimming on the faces of our participants. See, we still have good opportunity. There are still 2 rounds. We can make it through. We can jump to the first position. So please don't lose hope. Okay? Remain high on hope. Hansraj House, cheer up. Audience, cheer up, please. Now the second round is going to be a bit interesting and engrossing also. Fine? There would be a limited time period in which you have to answer 15 questions. I am going to read out the rules and regulations. Fine? I hope I make it clear to you. Hello? If you have any doubts, then we are going to attend to it. So all attention please. In this round, each will be asked 15 questions. Okay? 15 questions will be asked to you in the span of 1.5 minutes. Fine? 90 seconds you will get, and you will be asked 15 questions. How many questions will be asked to each of the groups? What is the time span? Audience, if you are going to interfere, your house here will lose the marks. If you are going to interfere either with the answers or in an indisciplined way, your house will lose the competition here. Now, if a team is not able to answer a question, suppose I asked a question to you and you are not aware of the answer, you simply can say pass and I will move to the next question. Fine? So if you don't know the answer, it is advisable that you just say pass so that we can move to the next question and you don't lose the time and the rest of the questions which you might be aware of. In case a team gives a wrong answer, I, the quiz master, will give the right answer to you. The questions will not be passed. Fine? 10 points will be awarded for each of the correct answers. I will say correct here and the scorer will add on the points there. If it is incorrect, I will say incorrect and will tell the correct answer also. Once a question is passed, the team shall not be allowed to repeat the same question. You will not get a second opportunity to answer the same question twice. Fine? There will be no negative marking for your wrong answers. There will be no negative marking for this particular round. So I would like to ask Chandrasekhar sir. Sir, are you ready? We have to keep a count of 1.5 minutes for each of the teams. I would also like to ask our scorer sir. Sir, are you ready? Audience, are you ready? What about the teams? The team members are ready? Shall we start then? Thank you, sir. What is the name of the current president of Russia? Correct. Spell the word vacuum. V-A-C-C-U-M. Incorrect. V-A-C-W-M. The Eiffel Tower is located in France. True or false? True. Correct. Which Indian cricketer was nicknamed the Prince of Calcutta? Correct. Who is the current head of the Indian Armed Forces? Incorrect. General Upendra Dwivedi. Who is the most followed Indian singer on Spotify? Correct. What is the folk dance of Gujarat? Correct. What is the largest bone in the human body? Correct. In which year Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji was born? 1824. Correct. Who is the author of the series of Harry Potter? Correct. What is the capital of France? Correct. What is the currency of Bahrain? The correct answer is the Bahraini dinar. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Correct. Ram fell in. Identify the tense. Ram fell in. Identify the tense. The book. Sorry. So 14 questions. 14 questions. Give a big round of applause for them in house. Audience, you have cheered up. Now give them the space to think, because Dayanand House has answered 10 correct questions and have scored 100. Good job. Now coming to Hansraj House. Audience, can we cooperate please? Can we cooperate please? Can we maintain silence? Because we can see questions are thrown in the speed of light. time to think. So please maintain discipline there on the ground. Your house marks will be deducted. Yes, we are going to do that now. So please don't make noise. Hansraj House, are you ready? Sir, ready? Again. Who is the current president of the USA?
Donald Trump.
Incorrect. Joe Biden. He is still in office. He is to attend the office in January. Be a spell, please. Spell the word accommodation.
ACCOMMADTION.
Incorrect. Accommodation. ACCOMMODATION. Statue of Liberty is located in France. True or false?
False.
Somebody is answering from the audience. Which famous cricketer is known by the nickname Thala?
Dhoni.
Correct. This is not done. No, I'll stop here. This way I'll stop. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Supreme Commander.
President of India.
Correct. Name the Indian singer who won 2 awards at the Oscars back in 2009.
Pass.
What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh?
Pass.
Name the glands present in the human mouth. Glands present in the human mouth.
Salivary gland.
Correct. In which year Lata Mangeshkar was awarded with the Padma Bhushan?
2010.
No, incorrect. Who is the author of the play Antony and Cleopatra?
Pass.
What is the capital of England?
London.
Correct. What is the currency of the European Union? European Union currency.
Euro.
Correct. What is the capital of Manipur? No! Audience cannot answer. This is not fair. It is their turn. Let them enjoy their opportunity. Okay, good job, Hansraj. Please cheer up. You have answered so many questions. Ma'am, can we know how many correct questions they have answered? Yes, they have answered 5 questions correctly. So their score is 50 marks. Good job. Cheer up, please. Don't be upset.
ऊपर से लो
Audience, this is not fair. You are sitting there to support and enjoy the show. The audience are not supposed to be the participants. They are not supposed to answer. You have your house representatives sitting here, so please don't answer. Don't break the rules. Don't compel us to go for actions. Fine? Sir, ready again? Who is known as the father of computer? Correct. Spell the word schizophrenia. Loudly. Schizophrenia. Spell the word.
SIZO.
Incorrect. The Atlantic Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. True or false?
False.
Correct. What does NBA stand for in sports? NBA. B for ball. NBA. In sports. Incorrect. National Basketball Association. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Army located in India?
Pass.
Answer is New Delhi. Parliament of India is called? Parliament of India is called? Parliament. Sansad Bhavan. How many rules does Arya Samaj follow?
10.
Correct. Which waves are used for telecommunication? Longitudinal wave. No, microwaves. Who is the author of the book Hind Swaraj? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the capital of Oman? What is the capital of Oman?
Panama.
No, Muscat. What is the currency of Greece? Okay, good job, Shraddha house. Audience, please clap for them. Can we know the score? Acha, Shraddha house has answered 3 questions correctly. So their score is 30.
इसमें वो हो रहा है
अभी इधर आएंगे तो नीचे जाओ
हाँ उसमें ई कर रहा है ई लॉन्ग वीडियो उसके लिए
नीचे जाओ
Students, if you are confused about any of the questions, as we already have said, please say pass and move to the next question rather than wasting your time. If you want to take time and think, that is also alright, but it is advisable to move to the next question as quick as possible if you are prepared. So we can throw maximum number questions to you. Fine? Are you ready? Return in house? So ready? Press again, please. Press again. Who is known as the Missile Man of India?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Spell the word, correct. Spell the word entrepreneur.
ENTERPRENEUR.
Correct, correct. Bats are blind. Am I serious or joking? Bats are blind. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Correct. Which country is considered as the birthplace of cricket?
England.
Correct. National Defense Academy is located at?
Pass.
City which consists of 7 islands in India is called?
Pass.
Zakir Hussain is popular for playing which instrument?
Tabla.
Very good, correct. In science, BOD stands for?
Pass.
Who wrote Discovery of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. What is the capital city of Canada? What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Correct, correct. What is the currency of New Zealand?
Dollar.
Correct. What is the capital of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
Correct. I have been waiting for you since long. Identify the tense.
Past tense.
Incorrect. What is the sum of numbers of opposite sides of a dice? Opposite sides of a dice. When you count it, what number do you get?
7.
Correct. Who was the first emperor of the Maurya dynasty? Time over. Can we know how many questions they have answered correctly? 10. So Virchan and House also answered 10 questions correctly. Good job. Now I would like to give the mic to our scorers and declare what the score is and the position of all the houses. So please.
50 points, Sadanand House, 40 points, and the last one, Vijayanand House, scored 100.
Be alert हो जाए. Now be ready.
Yes, the third round is the puzzle round. So for this, you have to pick up this board which is given to you, which represent your house. Okay? So the question will be asked one by one, and there will be 10 questions for the complete round. Okay? After the completion of the question and the picture will be displayed, after that only you have to raise the color of your house. And the moment you will pick up the board, you have to answer. No question will be passed in this round. Quickly you have to answer. Yes, if you will pick up the board before the question is complete, then the negative mark will be yours. Let the question complete. Okay? -5 marks will be awarded for the wrong answer, and 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer. Is it fine? So can we start with this round?
Can you clear? You have any doubts? Good. All the best. You
have to raise this board. Okay? Yes.
You are come to first question. Get ready.
First question. Identify the famous instrument player.
No. You have to just raise and read. They cannot answer. They have answered.
Cancel the question. Give them -5.
-5.
Give them -5.
Don't answer before the question is complete.
The house master will come to you. They will give you a hint. Then you can answer.
After I will complete the question, then only you will be able to pick up this. Wait, just raise and I want you have to answer. Is it fine? Is it clear? Identify the popular cricketer.
Shane Warne.
Correct answer. Answer down. Correct answer. The next.
आंसर तो ये दिया आंसर तो ये दिया
Next is you have to listen the audio. It will be audible.
आंसर दिया बोला दूसरा आंसर दिया ना दूसरा दिया
Identify the singer. Lata Mangeshkar. Incorrect answer. The correct answer is Shraddha Sinha. -5 marks will be awarded to Bridgeland House. Okay. Yes. The next question is identify the famous. No. Incorrect answer has been given. One question, one answer. Identify the famous tabla player as shown in the picture. Yes, Hansraj Jones.
Zakir Hussain.
Yes, the correct answer is Zakir Hussain. The next question. Name the nation by taking help of the flag. Indonesia.
Nepal.
Yes, the answer is correct, Nepal. Don't pick up your board before the question is complete. I am repeating again.
They have to raise the full hand up.
Yes, everybody, it should be visible to everyone. Okay? Raise your hand up. Next question is an audio.
Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world that the United States has conducted an operation to kill Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al-Qaeda, and a terrorist who is responsible for the murder of thousands of innocent men, women, and children. It was nearly 10 years ago that a bright September day was darkened by the worst attack on the American people in our history. The images of 9/11 are seared into our national memory. Hijacked planes cutting through a cloudless September sky, the Twin Towers collapsing to the ground.
Identify the speaker here. Yes, the correct answer is Barack Obama. Barack Hussein Obama II, born in the year 1961, he is an American lawyer and politician. Sir Barack Obama served as the 44th President of the US from 2009 to 2017. He is the first African American president in the history of US. Sir Obama is the member of the Democratic Party. The next question is, identify the comedian turned political of international fame. Yes, answer House.
Ukraine's President Zelensky.
Very good. The correct answer. The next question is, identify the name of all the cricketers in the picture from left to right. From left to right. I'm repeating. Identify and name all the cricketers in the picture from left to right. Yes. Come back quickly. Anybody knows the answer correctly? Yes, Hansraj House.
Yuvraj Singh, Saurabh Ganguly and Mohammad Kaif.
Correct, very correct. Yes, Yuvraj Singh, Saurabh Ganguly and Mohammad
82.
Very good. Yes. The next question is question number 10. Is it visible to everyone? Name the country which If you will answer before the question will be asked, minus marks will be awarded. So minus marks.
बोलने से पहले ही आपने हाथ रेस कर लिया। No, don't argue. Excuse me, don't argue. Ma'am, carry on. Carry on, ma'am.
Name the country which has this animal as its national animal.
That one, Brisbane House.
Pigeon and house.
Australia.
Yes, the correct answer is Australia. Good.
Name the animal also. Name of the animal. Which one?
Which of the country?
Country, not the name of the animal. Right. इससे पढ़ने की बात बोली ना।
Okay, the next question is where is this famous monument located? Yes.
Diana House.
Jaipur. And Jaipur.
Jaipur. Yes. The last question is again an audio. Listen carefully. Identify the voice of the fifth.
इससे मैंने बयान
Let the question complete.
मैंने 2 बार बोला क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होने की बात करना है आपका ये बात बोलना है।
The question is identify the voice of the famous cartoon.
बोलिए गुजरात बोलिए।
Ninja Jolly. Yes, the correct answer is Ninja. Well done. Now the final score of this round, round 3 is. We are waiting for the score. 25 marks is for Dayanand House. Is having 40 marks and Shraddhanand is minus 10 marks. And Vijayanand is having 15 marks. So this round leading is Hansraj House is leading in this round.
Now please answer.
सेंटर पे जाके ले लो।
Students, once again give a big applause for all the contestants. And today's quiz competition comes to an end. Give a big hand. And I am here to announce that first position goes to Dayanand House having 205 points. 205 points. Dayanand House takes the first prize. Vijayanand House having 155 marks. Give a big hand. And third prize goes to Hansraj House having 135 marks. And fourth position goes to Shraddhanand House having 90 marks. Once again, first prize goes to Dayanand House 205 marks. Second prize goes to Vijayanand House 155 marks. Third position goes to Hansraj House 135 marks. And that Hansraj House takes the fourth position having 90 marks. Now, once again, give a big hand for the Shraddhanand House. Yes, Shraddhanand House fourth position having 90 marks. Once again, give a big hand for all the contestants and encourage them, all the participants. Next week, let us meet again. But next week, would like to start any other program. Yes. And tomorrow during the assembly program, that all the
इन सभी कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए डोंट लूज योर हार्ट। जो भी बच्चे फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे नहीं आए तो किसी ने लिखा है फेलियर आर द पिलर्स टू सक्सेस। सो ह्यूमन लाइफ life is just like a battle, and in this battle, failure do oftenly come. And no doubt, failure are depressing, but we do not lose our heart, because each failure gives a new lesson to us, and we can achieve success at last. तो असफलता ही सफलता की जननी है. Please don't lose your heart.
One thing more is that participation is itself is a success. You have taken part, that is a success. That first, second, third is not a matter. Participation is itself is a success. You have participated, that is much enough for you. That is a success. Selection process.